Hey Logan, I'm looking at these, the Desmos is what you sent me screenshots of. This is asking you what do A, B, C, and D do. Well, A makes this get higher or lower or flatter. That's what it's asking you to do, is just play with it. What does B do? Well, B changes your frequency. Okay? C, you can see how it moves it. And D, you can see how that moves it. So that's all it's asking you to do, is explain these things. Okay? And you had to just write a description. For this one, find a sine graph that goes through the given points. All you have to do here is simply make this move so that it matches up. Okay? See? That's it. C is 0 and D is 0. So you just had to match it up. It's all you have to do on all of them. Okay? Now, some of these you'll have to play with a little bit longer, moving them up. All right, maybe over that. Moving it left a little bit. Maybe changing that. The B. So it's simply a matter of playing with it to get it to work. Okay? And then when you get to the ones where you've got to actually fill it in yourself, you just put the numbers in yourself. Like right here. Okay, how long is this? Well, it's a regular sine graph because it is 2 pi long to come back to where it started from. We'll see if that's going to actually work. We might need to shorten the period a little bit, so maybe try a 0.5. That gets it longer. So go with a 2. That makes it shorter. That helps a little bit. You also probably could go back and do your regression that you've done before. But I would concentrate on doing what we had done before. -2. Okay, that's pretty close. I've got to extend this out a little bit though. That's better. Not so much. It's a little bit of movement. Actually needs to move back. So that's getting closer. Let's see. If you wanted to do regression, you might be able to put a table in here. 0, 0, 2, 0, and 3, 1. And try Y1. Not sure we've got enough to actually work it through, but we certainly can check it out. A sine B minus, C, B x1 minus C plus D. Let's see if we can get it to work. We must not be able to. Guess I could do a basic one, try that. It might just be too few points to make it work. Huh. That worked. Right through them. So you have A as -1, turns it more to the, and then you got B 1.5708. So it's much less than it was. But that's also a way to do it. Does that make sense, Logan? Does that help any?
Coach McClaney, please call 42.
Anyway, Logan, that's about 6 minutes and hopefully answered some of your questions here.